So, ow! So, i-hold ko sa inyo yung pinamili ko sa Chinese store. Let me show you this one. Good morning, guys! Nagpe-prepare ako ng breakfast ni Sander. Ayan, peanut butter and bread yung gusto niyang breakfast for today. Ayan. And ito yung bread na ginagamit ko, guys. Alam niyo kung bakit ito? Kasi look. Wala na siyang, ayaw niya kasi yung may sa gilid, yung tasty na merong mga brown. Ito, wala siyang brown. Bali yung white bread lang talaga. So, yeah. And then, peanut butter. Medyo, hindi na naman ako nakatulog kagabi. Hindi ko alam kung may insomnia ako or what. Pero, meron kasi akong medicine for sleeping. Pero, hindi ko siya ininom kasi yung effect niya sa akin parang buong araw akong tamad kumilos. Tamad na nga ako kumilos. Tapos, ganun pa yung epekto sa akin. So, hanggat maaari, hindi ako umiinom. Pero anong oras na ako natulog kagahapon? Kaninang umaga is around 3 AM. And then, aga ko nagigising kasi si Sander, not really early, but 8:30 AM. So, yeah, that's why. You want the milk, kuya? Fresh milk? You want the fresh milk?
Yeah.
Say good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Siya sanay. I mean, hindi niya alam ba't nag-video ako araw-araw. I'm trying to do the daily vlogs nga, di ba? Asit pa. You want the fresh milk? This one is a water.
I want that fresh milk.
Okay.
Why are you doing the video?
You don't want? Okay, I'll take it.
That chair,
Please.
please.
Then, almond milk. Kaya, nanonood siya nung Netflix na bago. What is the title of?
Number.
Black Numbers? Ayun siya.
It's number.
Pinapanood niya. Guys, tingnan nyo naman yung study area niya, yung table, study table. Sobrang gulo. Nag-cut kasi kami. So, and ako, usually, depende sa mood ko kung gusto ko mag-breakfast or hindi. Pero today, ayoko mag-breakfast. So, I'm just gonna edit habang kumakain si Sander na breakfast niya, yung vlog kahapon. Okay, we are finishing this today. Kuya, can you put out a little volume, love? We're finishing this today, guys. And I just want to share with you, oh, look, tingnan niyo yung drawing ni Sander, sobrang cute. Sabi niya sa akin, it's not focusing. Sabi niya sa akin, gagawa daw siya ng sarili niyang game. I said, okay.
But I'm not
But it's not done daw.
I'm going to go to that school. Don't wait.
Don't worry, it's all love. I'm wrong. I put there. It's okay. Separate.
Two hours later.
Na-finish na. Oh, what happened? It's already finished. What happened? It's not... Uh-oh. But we already finished it. I swear. Ayan, here's the picture I'm going to insert. But later, we'll play later. Okay? Kuya? Yeah, but we already finished it. Look at the boat, guys. Tada! Already lunchtime. So, I'm going to prepare a food. Nagsislice ako ng tofu, guys. I want to do a Korean tofu soup. Prepare ko lang to and then it's cooked, guys. Yummy. And then fried egg. Yum. And then I'm making a tang pineapple juice. That's so good.
Why you like? Why you like it? This one.
Tofu? Because it's good. Rice is life. Do you like rice, Kuya?
Yeah. Not like that when you take no video.
Daddy will love this one. I-enjoy ko lang yung food ko kasi.
Wait, guys. I want the orange juice.
Yeah. See you later.
Where's the shark?
Wash your hands. Guys, kagigising lang namin. And, ayan, si Sander. Nanonood. Cherries. Cherries? Yeah, but seasonal, but it's too expensive. Diba? We have there in the Philippines too.
Hala, I see a house.
What do you see? Don't put your hands outside.
Huh?
Hands inside, okay?
It's going to look like this.
Say hi, Daddy. Super lapit lang ng Chinese store, guys. Yun lang. Dyan, there. Ayan, dyan ako nag-grocery. And then, yun lang. Minsan nilalakad lang namin.
Tatlo.
Open pa. Ayan. Until 7 PM, no, Daddy? Bukas sila lang hanggang 7 PM? Say for me. Excuse me. Let me show them. Yes, love it. I will just... And kasi 7 PM na and close yung Chinese store ng 7 PM. Ayan, nandito kami sa malapit sa store kasi may bibili si Carlos. So, i-hold ko sa inyo yung pinamili ko sa Chinese store.
To eat this.
Let me show you this one. This one, guys, it's so good. It's Thailand food. Yung kakilala ko, pinatikim niya sa amin to. So, yan. That's why we are buying it. And, of course, the spicy chicken. Spicy chicken noodles. Wala. And then, naalala ko yung uwishi sa atin, guys. Yung uwishi. Sana magkalasa. So, what I'm excited to try, itong mangga, you guys. Tingnan nyo. Parang burong mangga siya. Pagka masarap siya, mag-i-stack ako nito. Pickled mango with chili. Pagka masarap siya, I think for sure masarap siya, mag-i-stack ako. Kasi maraming stock sila. And then, okra for tomorrow sa sinigang ko. Hindi ako nagluto ng sinigang kasi ngayon. Dapat magsisinigang kami. And mogu-mogu. And guava orange, guava drinks. And some noodles. Hindi kami nag-noodles araw-araw. Nag-i-stack lang kami. Yeah, cup noodles. And a beer for Carlos. So, yeah. That's it. Ito, guys, gusto kong tikman. But it's smelly kasi, kuya, eh. You can try. Sana para siyang uwishi, no? Yum!
It's good. It's very good. I love it. I want more. I like it.
It's not the same. Meron kasi yung masarap yung pula, yung maanghang. Pero it's okay.
It's so good. It's cream.
Natin yung manga. I try already.
Yakitori. It's
Why
Chinese.
you're not waiting for me? You forgot to pray. You just forgot to pray. Huh? You can try it.
No.
Just a miss a little asim. There's no asim in it.
It's a mango, right? Hello, guys.
No, I need to end my vlog because I think it's a long vlog. Guys, bye! Thank you for watching. We're going to eat na. This is Wander. So yeah, we're just enjoy lang namin yung time namin. Yeah. So bye guys, see you tomorrow.